put airbags in their underwear and then we blow them up. We tie weather balloons to them and we shoot all the way.
All right, today is the landscaping to the max. We are grading our property, doing gravel.
June.
It's gonna be a huge transformation in like one day, so we're super excited. Oh my goodness, he's got a couple guys with him. Oh, looks like Joe's over here.
What's up, Joe?
Got the kids?
Morning.
Yeah.
Whole
Whole
family.
family.
So I'll try and get my mower in there. The deck doesn't go up high,
Oh, okay.
so but we'll float around in it.
What's up, Dex?
Hey.
Morning, Dexx.
Oh, you know, Anna's always
Smile,
recording.
you're on candid camera. We're here, Dexx is here, he's got some guys. We're gonna landscape. We brought a bunch of dirt in, like 6 loads. We're gonna flatten, level out. We're gonna plant some trees. We're gonna wrap the trees. We're gonna try and entertain these kids. Not really entertain them, just keep them safe. Okay, go ahead.
Hey, buddy. Oh, you gotta show me. June is gonna show us her bedroom light. I guess it's super cool. June! Do you love it?
Hey, Mom. So cool.
I'm gonna go take a walk in the forest.
Me and my dad moved these pipes together. Oh, wee.
Nice. Down
Dad.
here, guys. June, don't waste that. Actually, yeah, that'd be really good. Here. Come here and smile. Or don't smile, but... Okay. Perfect. That'll be really nice for the rest of the day. Hey.
Oh
No, that's perfect. Hi, Heath.
no! I did!
Do you want one too?
Oh my gosh.
Do you want duct tape?
Sweet! No, put it back on. Put it back on.
Ow.
Hank, now your mustache is gone. No, the
Papa's
girl.
got a brand new stash.
I am driving around with the baby and the kids. The kids are watching a movie and I'm trying to get baby to go to sleep. So Jordan stayed back to get a bunch of stuff done with those guys. Pretty hectic with kids and tractors and backhoes and lawnmowers and all that good stuff. So while we were driving around the island,
Looking for a estate sale.
no, we're trying to get the baby to sleep and just let the kids kind of chill out. We saw it in a estate sale. We passed it. The kids want to go, but
Can we please go?
I don't know if I have the energy to unload everyone and whatnot. But we came across this yard with a really cool scene in it. Looks like these people made some giant dinosaur statues. Isn't that so cool? Gravel from the front of the driveway because it's the large gravel and we don't really need it there, because we have another dump truck bringing in some more smaller gravel for the driveway. So that'll work great for our dry well, and then we have better gravel for the driveway.
Let's see what you got.
Get a frog.
Let's see.
Benjamin.
Would you name him Benjamin?
Benjamin.
I like it. June, what's up? Oh, you know what? I found one earlier. Yeah, you want to go see if he's still there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to try to find June a frog because there was one over here.
Oh.
Go to the telephone pole. Oh, see it? Look, it's on that gray pipe. See it? Oh.
June, grab it.
Did you get it? Oh!
Daddy, can you get it? Dad.
Sorry, bud. Grab June.
You just crushed
Sorry, Hank.
You just crushed
Okay, just don't squish him. Hold him like that. There you go. Okay. What do you got, June?
Frog. Isn't he cute? That one's smaller than a frog.
You both got frogs?
Dad! Dad! Dude, it's okay.
There you go. That's all you gotta do.
That's all you
But
gotta
just
do.
keep your gentle cup. Keep, cup him like that.
June got one! Yeah.
Told ya.
Here comes another load of gravel. Jude got a blister. Jordan's making a house for the kids' frogs.
Don't waste that.
The frogs are gonna drown, you guys.
Guys, it's just a tiny bit of water in the bottom is all they need.
Okay.
Okay. Put your frog in there.
And put your frog
And then you guys can put stuff over the top so they don't get out.
Oh, perfect. Wow, Dad is so creative.
No,
So inventive.
this is sick.
But I'm gonna need that in like an hour or two.
Wait, this?
Yeah.
He is an engineer.
There you go.
So right here behind me, there's gravel, and then they're bringing this dirt up to the level of the gravel, and then they're gonna add more gravel over here. So right here, this dirt right here is gonna be grass, and then where he's flattening it out there is gonna be gravel.
That's where all of our drainage is gone. So I would get...
Came upstairs looking for Nate and I didn't find him, but he did the upper lights and they're so cool. I love them. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So the ceiling is gonna be cedar and you're gonna come up here the first time. Oh, where's the light switch? Bling. Turn them on. And they're gonna be hidden, the lights will be hidden in the cedar. So cool. I saw a magazine where it was like a school or something. They had lights like this in the ceiling, and I was like, ooh, we gotta do that. So Jordan, being the little detective that he is, he found these lights and he was like, let's do it. What? Dada? Somebody is tired. I'm talking about myself. Dad's getting more trees. Heath just ate a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, if you can't tell. You little monkey. And yeah, we're just laying out our trees. We have a few extra that we thought we would. So this area right here, we're gonna try and fill as much as possible.
Like there?
Or how about like just straight on with this? Like
okay,
first one
that's
just
a good idea.
Like right here. Pretty nice. Cute.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna paint that.
Okay. All these holes, just so easy, so precise. Looks like he scrapes the top grass part off and removes that, and then leaves the pile of dirt, probably for backfill, but without the grass garbage, so nice.
Yeah, you know.
Well, we definitely don't want to have all our plants die.
Now the ones that we planted over there,
Yeah,
they,
those look good.
yeah, they took off. And the ones we planted over there.
We are tired, kids are tired. We're packing up, we're going home. But we got a lot done, made a lot of progress. I mean, I didn't really do much, but everybody else did. And I helped make decisions, so, you know, it's a team effort. Right, June?
Yeah.
Yeah. Day one of final grade is complete. We are just tired and want to go home, so we're going home. Jordan's eating his hoagie. The kids are filthy.
We need to take a shower and get.
Honey, Hank's taking a shower. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, he's taking a shower, but Hank likes to fight me on everything, so I said you can each take a 3-minute shower, and Hank says 4. So I said, fine, you don't get a shower now. So obviously he gets to shower, he's filthy. Anything
I
else?
think Dexx is coming back tomorrow too.
Dexx is coming back tomorrow, we're coming back tomorrow.
Oh god.
Hopefully without the kids. Fingers crossed. So yeah,